Introducing the latest addition to our tractor series, the IceStriker 550SS TR. The spreader has a capacity of 0.55 cubic yard, which makes it ideal for parking lots, courtyards, walkways, and pedestrian paths. The powder-coated stainless steel frame is designed with a 3-point hitch for quick and easy connection. The spreader features an auger feed system that ensures an even flow of material to the spreading disc, which has a diameter of 20 inch. The auger itself, with 4.5 inch in diameter, is made of stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. Equipped with our H-Track tracking system, the IceStriker offers automatic GPS ground speed control, adjusting the amount of spreading material according to your vehicle's speed. This provides superior ice control results. Spreading symmetry adjustment with in-cabin control allows the operator to adjust the direction of material off the spinner from the controller. The durable stainless steel hopper has been designed with a smooth surface to allow easy cleaning and maintenance. All this to help maintain corrosion-free performance for many years. Developed in Finland's challenging winter conditions, where snow covers the ground for 6 months of the year,